Before moving on to creation of a peer-to-peer and a multi-user chat application, let's try to understand a few steps that need to be followed while working with any general TCP connection in Python programming language, of course. So the steps that need to be taken are, first step, well, on the TCP server, first step that needs to be followed is creating a server socket using the socket function. Second step would be bind socket to host name and port on which the socket is created using the bind function. Third step would be to mention how many clients you want to listen for using listen function. Fourth step would be accept client connections using the accept function.